tracking shipments and QuickBooks Sync in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to read receipt sync status, open a failed sync to see what to fix, and reconcile shipments against your books. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Purchasing, Receipts from your dashboard. Your Receipts page is the record of every shipment you've checked in. Each row shows the receiving date, the vendor, the total value received, and a status badge showing whether that receipt has synced to QuickBooks as a bill. A green QB synced badge means it synced successfully. If you see a QB failed badge instead, click it to see what went wrong. Most sync issues are something simple, like a vendor missing account information, and the detail tells you exactly what to fix. Click into any receipt for the full breakdown, every line item, the quantities received against what was ordered, and any notes entered at receiving. This is where accounting confirms a bill matches what physically came in the door. Use this page to reconcile shipments against your books and to catch sync errors before they pile up, rather than finding them at month end.